Everyone, welcome back once again to the Blind Pig YouTube channel. Just got back from vacation down in the Dominican Republic and found a new drink down there that I want to make sure I tell everyone about and we can try here at some point. This video will be a little different. I'm going to show you how to make the drink, but I'm not actually going to drink it, and I'll talk about why here in a minute. So if you've ever been to the Dominican Republic, Punta Cana is where we went specifically, but all over the island, one of the official drinks of the Dominican Republic is Mamajuana. Not marijuana, this is Mamajuana. Mamajuana is a creation that dates back apparently hundreds of years to that island. Used to be used for medicinal purposes, for aphrodisiacal purposes. I think that's how you say that word, close enough. At one point was outlawed, it required a prescription. It's kind of gone through a lot of changes over the years. Every family, I guess, has their own little recipe. But what it is a combination of tree bark, different plants, different spices that they mix in with a combination of rum, red wine, and honey. Now you can buy it down there, already pre-made. All the resorts that you stay at already have it. It's already made up, ready to go. They also now, apparently, as this drink gets bigger and bigger in the States, you're starting to be able to buy this apparently in some local liquor stores. Well, what I did, I stopped at the gift store on the way home and bought a make-your-own Mamajuana Kit. So this is all the bark, all the spices, all the leaves I mentioned. It's made by a company called Karibu. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to add rum to the first line. We're going to add red wine to the second line, top with honey, and then do nothing. We're going to shake it up a couple times, let it sit. We'll come back and do a video in a couple weeks on this and let you know how it tastes. Also try to make some cool cocktails with it and see how it turns out. So for now, we're going to go ahead and really simple recipe. There's a line here you probably can't see on the screen, but I can see here. We're going to add our rum. I'm using just a Bacardi white rum. Probably would have been better to use a Dominican rum. I don't have any. Really doesn't matter though, to be honest. So we're mixing this in here. I'm trying to slowly follow this line as it seeps down through the bark. To compare this to something, maybe I'd compare this to like a Jägermeister, but that's a stretch. And really only compare it to that just because of the herbs and spices that are in Jägermeister. I've heard it compared to an Amaro before. I don't know if I get that comparison. Maybe I haven't had the right Amaro, but yeah. Then we add red wine. I'm just using some Sutter Home. I'm not a big red wine drinker. I already had this bottle here. I only need a little bit, so I'm only going to use a little bit here. Filling this once again to the second line that you probably can't see. And then, a little more in there, set it a little bit. And then we top with honey. Just a local store-bought honey, nothing special, nothing weird. And we squeeze a healthy amount in there. Probably pretty boring for the video. It's gonna slowly work itself down. I'll finish topping that off camera. All I'm gonna do next is put the cap back on, give it a couple shakes, let it sit, maybe shake it every couple days or so. And like I said, we'll come back in a future video, test it out, see how it tastes, and also see me make a cocktail with it and try some new ways to drink it. So thanks once again for watching. My name is Jason. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, leave comments below, and we'll see you again in the future. Thanks.